Hey everybody, it's Carlos Perez with iBeamAds.net and iBeamAudio.net. This is a new way to advertise and promote your business using Spotify. A lot of people are looking for more ways to capture a larger market share and more clients, but they're still doing the same old traditional type of marketing, print ads, radio spots, TV, and things like that. Now, we're not saying that the print ads and radio and TV don't work, but that's not where the majority of the people are anymore. They are on these streaming music services, and it does help you to build your brand. So we're going to go into that and discuss how you can build your brand with us and using Spotify. Spotify right now currently has 217 million people. That's 217 million active users. And it's interesting that these users, the majority of them are free users. The free users listen to their music or their podcasts, and by doing so, they have to listen to 30-second commercial spots. And these 30-second spots are really impactful because you can't scroll past them, you can't turn them off. It happens and you have to listen. And their reach is huge. There's 217 million monthly active users around the world. That equates to 117 million ad-supported active users. And that's in 79 countries. So this is probably the largest music streaming service available out there that has active users that you can basically market to. And it doesn't have to be a worldwide thing. You can market to people just locally. The good thing about it is that Spotify already has a trusted name. So listeners trust them. And it's number one for trusted quality content and enjoyable experience, meaning they don't mind listening to those 30-second ad spots because they're getting so much value from the app and the service itself. And it's the number one trusted platform amongst millennials for data privacy and security. So again, the millennials, the people that you're going after, that's where they're at. If your business model is based on you catering to an older crowd, then you may need to rethink your strategy because it's time to start to get some of the young, fresh money into your business because the older people are basically going to phase out. So you have to think, are my listeners, are my customers, is my current customer client base, are they looking at a newspaper? Are they watching television? And not streaming television. I mean, just regular television with commercials. And more importantly, are they listening to a radio? So in thinking that, you'll understand why this is an opportunity for you to really grow and explode your business. Spotify leads the competitors in trust. Basically, 92% of the population trust Spotify over Apple Music, YouTube, Pandora, or iHeartRadio. And that's a huge number. So you are able to basically get the benefit of a company having such a large, diverse market that you're able to get a better understanding. Now, these aren't just users that are listening and they're basically, as a guest. These are 100% logged in people. And it's an audience with one persistent identity across all devices. So once they're in their computer or they're in their Fire Stick or their Alexa device, whatever they're on, they're connected across all of those devices. And the average person, the average listener is listening to 2.5 hours of Spotify per day. And that's from multi-device listeners. So that's someone that may be at home on a computer listening, then they go to the gym to work out and listen, but it's across a lot of devices. And with podcasts being on the rise, it's an even greater opportunity for you to advertise your business. So 250% podcast consumption hours have increased year over year on Spotify. That means people want to get that information on starting a business, how to cook, how to be healthy, whatever it is. So if your business is basically in the health and wellness industry, it's easy to advertise across podcasts that have something to do with health and fitness. 49% of the millennial Spotify users listen to podcasts at least once a week. That's where they get their information from. People are no longer consuming huge chunks of information. They want it in little bite-sized tiny pieces that they can use. And being that music is a mirror, it basically reflects who the person is. You have even better targeting now. If your product is for someone, in the Midwest, you can target basically country and Western listeners. If it's somewhere, for a younger audience, you can target, hip hop, R&B. So whatever it is, it allows you to go in there and target that ideal person that you want. Now, streaming tells us everything about the person. It tells us the moments in their life, if they're happy, sad, if they're celebrating, if they're working out. It gives us their location, the genre of music they listen to, their language. See, all this is analytical data that a radio station can't give you in real time. But we're able to do this with our partnership with Spotify in providing advertising on their platform. Not only that, but you can also tell the person's interests and behaviors. I'll take a sip of water, guys. And not only that, but the time of day that they're listening. So, as you can see, unlike radio advertising where they're saying that there's 1 million listeners, you don't know if those 1 million people are actually listening. That's just how far their antenna reaches, how many people in that collective market. But it doesn't give you the insights. With this, we can also figure out their age, their gender, what platform they're using, iOS, Android, PC. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that for really breaking down and targeting your ideal person. So this is how millennials stream on Spotify. Platform listener breakdown, 57% are on some kind of mobile device, 17% on a PC, 18% basically, again, some type of device, and the rest are picking it up from wherever they're at, whatever kind of device they have. The top genres are pop, hip hop, and Latin. So if you're really trying to capture that market, look guys, 21% of the people, the millennials out there, are listening to pop, 20% hip hop, 10% Latin. And it's really powerful as far as getting a feel for that market. Millennials stream on repeat more often than they stream on random. So they're not going in there and listening to a bunch of new things. They have their playlist built. They like that playlist, or they have their podcast. Whatever it is, you're able to basically capitalize on marketing to that individual because they're going to listen to those same things, which means if your ads run, they're going to be heard more often. And 90% have, the latest tech products. So millennials aren't using, the older flip phones and old devices. They're constantly evolving as technology evolves. And fitness enthusiasts that stream on Spotify, the breakdown, again, same thing. While they're working out, they're listening to pop, they're listening to hip hop, they're listening to Latin music. They basically want that playlist or that podcast or whatever they're doing catered to them so that they're able to enjoy their experience. That's what makes this platform so beneficial, is that users enjoy the experience there. So how we come in at iBeam Audio is we basically will come in and we will identify your ideal market. We'll create your ad. We'll get the ad professionally recorded with music and voiceovers, and you have nothing to do. This is a complete turnkey solution so that you can start running your ads on Spotify and target your audience. So again, you're able to pick your audience. So based on what the product or service that you have is, we can target based on age, gender, location, activity, and music taste. And you can also select if you want only people on mobile, desktop, or both to basically hear your ad and reach those listeners directly. We will design the creatives for you. So we have a relationship. We know what Spotify will and will not permit on their platform. So it allows us to basically create your 30-second ad quickly. So we write the script, we do the voiceover, we do the music, so you are up and running fast and according to their guidelines. And that's priceless when it comes to deploying your advertising across any network. We also give you detailed reporting. We provide monthly reporting so you can see how your ads are performing and who's reacting to them. And that's vital. You can't get that with radio. Radio cannot tell you if the person was 21 at a gym working out at that particular time. It can't. They are hoping that just because they say they have 1 million listeners, which is just the market they cover, that's going to be exciting. And you're spending a lot of money, thousands upon thousands, tens of thousands of dollars, running ads on radio that may or may not get any kind of results whatsoever. So with Spotify, we're able to drive brand impact with audio. That's 77%. That is really high. That is the increase in ad recall. So people remember by hearing that name, they remember that business. So audio ads drive 77% lift in ad recall, a 27% lift in brand awareness, and over 100% lift for both metrics when combined with video ads. People remember what they hear on Spotify because it's broken up. Those 30-second spots, they're broken up, so it's easy for them to really to take time to hear it. Like they're not being bombarded back to back. And drive lift across all stages of brand consideration with Spotify ads. So for ad recall, it is really 37%. People remember hearing the ad. Brand awareness, 58%. Message association, 26%. Intent, 24%. These are real facts. This is real data that has been proven that works. And efficiently and effectively, you can reach your target audience. Between 18 to 34, you can actually see what these statistics are. Between 25 and 49-year-olds, you can see what these stats are. And females, you can see. And females is a huge market. And especially if you're able to get ads catered to them directly when they're in a certain mindset that will be beneficial to your brand, your business. You can drive better outcomes for your brand also with Spotify. The emotion, Spotify ads generate greater emotional engagement than the competitor's platform. That's 15% for audio ads. Guys, want some water? Awareness, Spotify ads drive awareness. People that hear it, they're aware. And that's an 11% lift in brand awareness. Guys, you can't really get your brand recognized anywhere in the marketplace today because of the flood of information. Engagement, Spotify's #1 mobile property for the average time spent per visitor among the top mobile properties. In the purchase intent, people are 18% more likely to purchase the product advertised on Spotify versus the competitor. So you can see how huge this is if you're selling products or services. Now, we're ready to help you guys. We want to help you succeed in your business. We want to help you succeed with, if it's a product, if it's a service, no matter what it is, we want to be your go-to company. So we invite you to contact us to see how we can help you grow your brand, create more sales, or just basically advertise and promote in a way that makes sense for you with detailed analytics and reporting so you know how your money is working for your advertising. So guys, I'm Carlos Perez. If you have any questions whatsoever, I want you to reach out to me. I want you guys to get started. I want you to get more information, especially if you're advertising on radio right now. If you're spending thousands of dollars on radio for something that may or may not work, you definitely want to dedicate a small portion of your budget. $1,000 is basically all you need to really start seeing the responses that you want in your business. So if you're interested in finding out about us handling your marketing, your promotion on streaming services, not the outdated radio stations and TV stations, but something new, fresh, cutting edge. Having people in certain zip codes, getting your message to them, whether they're male, female, no matter if they're listening to country, western, pop, classical, whatever it is. I want you guys to text ADS, ADS, to 760-254-8989. By doing this, we'll start a live chat. That way you don't have to inconvenience yourself with making a phone call and feeling pressured into anything. So reach out to us by text texting ads to 760-254-8989. I look forward to hearing from you and working with you guys.